The race is on for textbooks for back to school.
Our reporter Codian Barrett sat down with she didn't sit down, but she spoke with a publisher on the issue earlier today.
The complaints from back-to-school shoppers have been the same since last week.
Right now, I have to know what's going on right now, so I have to watch my pocket right now. So with what's going on, I got to tick, guess about it, circle around, and then come back to it.
One khaki pants and shirt for 2.5 and shoes like a big people me a shop for.
But aside from the cost, some parents are asking, where are the textbooks? On Friday, this was the scene outside the Kingston bookshop downtown, as parents desperately searched for text on the book list ahead of the first day of school Monday.
We have had up, down, I look the book them, and them no come out and tell us we don't have that book that we don't see in the line. You understand me? It's very poor.
School was closed for quite a while now. They should have organized this and have everything organized so when you come to buy the books, they are here available for you to buy them, not yet. First, you couldn't have the money. When you do find the money, there is no book. And when you do get the ones, they are incorrect. You have to come and change them. And then when you come and change them, the correct ones are not available based on the publishers. I think the publishers are doing a very terrible job at it.
But at least one local publisher sought to explain. According to the general manager for Carlong Publishers Caribbean Limited, Candice Carby, the issue stems from the unavailability of raw materials and shipping containers due to the war in Ukraine.
There are significant delays also in just getting the titles in to the country. A lot of the titles are printed overseas. And as well, coming off the back of COVID, I think it is a little bit difficult for the suppliers to estimate the demand. And as I said, in the past 2 weeks, what you've seen is a significant increase in parents coming out to try and get their back-to-school supplies ready. So I think that might be the challenge that they are having in not being able to meet that increased demand because it exceeded projections.
But an annual issue for publishers is that they are usually unaware of what's on a book list. The time between a book list being issued and when it reaches the shelves does not align with the ordering and shipping process. To mitigate that issue in the future, Ms. Carby made this suggestion.
If book lists were issued maybe by the end of June, early July, so that we'd have a little more time to get all the titles in, and if we know exactly what is coming, we can better prepare for it.
In the meantime, she's advised that Carlong Publishers is now fully stocked with all its major titles, and bookstores should be restocked between Tuesday and the end of September. Codian Barrett for TVJ News.